Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. If your Android keyboard is acting weird, lagging, freezing, or showing abnormal behavior, do not worry. In today's video, I will show you a few simple fixes you can try to get your keyboard working normally again. But before we jump in, here's a quick overview of what we will cover. Clear keyboard cache and storage. Adjust keyboard system settings. Update preferences and themes. Restart your phone. Let us get started. First, open your Settings app. From here, search for your keyboard app. For example, if you are using Gboard, type Gboard in the search bar and tap on it once it appears. Next, go to Storage or Storage and Cache. Start by tapping Clear Cache. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue. If the problem continues, you can also tap Clear Storage or Clear Data. But keep in mind, this will reset some keyboard settings. Now, head back to Settings again. Scroll down and tap System. Then select Language and Input. Tap on the on-screen keyboard or virtual keyboard, and you will see a list of all the keyboards installed on your phone. Choose the keyboard you are having problems with, such as Gboard. Once inside the keyboard settings, tap Preferences. Scroll down and look for haptic feedback on key press or vibration strength on key press. Then turn this option off or disable it. After that, go back and check if there's an option to clear autofill data or similar saved input data and remove it if available. Next, tap on Theme and switch between options like Auto or Default. Try different theme settings and stick with the one that works best for your device. Finally, restart your phone. This helps apply the changes properly and clears any background issues that may affecting your keyboard. After following these steps, your keyboard should be back to normal. If you're still experiencing issues, feel free to leave a comment below. If this tutorial helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful Android tips. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, this video is for educational purposes only. Steps and options may vary depending on your Android device, keyboard app, or software version. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.